Cheryl Aniahan here again from Saladmaster in Perth. Today I want to show you how to make Filipino chicken and vegetables in coconut milk. For this dish, we are going to use our 3-quart Gourmet Wok limited edition with draining rack. Now the first thing that we need to do is to heat up our cookware on medium heat for about 7 to 9 minutes. And while we're waiting for that, let's prepare our chicken. So just season your chicken with salt and fresh ground pepper. For our onion, let's use our Saladmaster machine, cone number 4. After 7 to 9 minutes, let's check our cookware. See the water dancing like pearl, that's what we want. If it evaporates quickly, then we have to wait extra more minutes. Time to put our chicken. And let's cook it 2 to 3 minutes each side. No oil. After browning 2 batches of chicken, you can put it in the draining rack. That's the beauty of this 3-quart wok. It includes a draining rack, so you can saute your garlic onion. Now it's time to saute our garlic, onion, and ginger. You can also use fresh ginger and garlic, but this one we're using the paste. Now time to add the capsicums, red and green, and saute it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, after 1 to 2 minutes, time to add the rest of the ingredients except for the spinach. So let's add some fish sauce, coconut cream, potato. Remember, don't peel, just wash it properly to remove extra starch. And the chicken. Mix it. Okay, now it's time to cover and then put it on medium heat for about 35 to 40 minutes until the potato is soft. This is how it looks like. Ta-da! Then it's time to put our spinach. Cover and cook for about 1 minute, and that's it. After 1 minute, this is how it looks like. Look at the color. Now, we will just mix it. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye!